This lesson demonstrates how to divide a 100 mm line into 5 equal parts, using an aim ruler, a compass, and a 30-degree set square. Draw a horizontal line AB, 100 mm long, and label the endpoints A and B. From point A, draw an auxiliary ray at a convenient angle. Using the compass set to a convenient radius, mark 5 equal intervals along the auxiliary ray. Join the 5th interval to point B. Place the 30-degree set square with its long edge along this line, and rest the ruler against its shorter edge to guide the slide. Now, through each remaining interval, draw a line parallel to the connecting line. Slide the set square to interval 4 and draw the parallel. Slide to interval 3 and draw the next parallel. Slide to interval 2 and draw another parallel. Finally, slide to interval 1 and draw the last parallel. The intersections with line AB divide the original 100 mm line into 5 equal parts. Each part measures 20 mm.